First, slide the locking plate onto the back of the profile for later. Then slide the first end cap onto the end of the profile, securing it in place with the screws. Slide the locking plate to the center before bending the profile. Fix the locking plate with screws to hold the profile shape. Make a clean cut at the opposite end of the profile, then slide on the second end cap and secure it in place with screws. Drill through the larger hole at the base of the end cap to create an opening for the LED strip wires to pass through. Install the LED strip into the profile and press the diffuser into place. Attach the suspension mounting plate onto the base screw. Rotate the plate along the curved edge to lock it into position, and tighten the screws to secure it firmly in place. Slide the locking cylinder down the suspension wire and screw it onto the base fitting until fully tightened. Measure and cut the rubber strip to fit the spaces between each accessory on the base of the profile. This will prevent any light leakage. Using the suspension wires, lift the profile into position and adjust to your preferred height.